It's the Internet Income Ninja back in here with another lead. Thanks so much for watching my previous videos. And if you're interested in starting your own business, there are many people who will do a 9 to 5 to save money to start their own business. And in the description below, there are links to businesses, trainings that you can use for very cheap or reasonably cheap to start up your own online business. That way you can be earning more money without having to put in as much time. So the time you would take working at a 9 to 5, you could take 2 hours out of that time, start a business and have it run on autopilot, because you're leveraging the power of the internet and you're leveraging the power of apps and other automated software. So today's lead, let's just jump into that. Today's lead comes to us from Allstate, and it is an insurance customer service representative. It is a remote, home-based, work-from-home job that's available across the US, but there are some states that it's not available to, and I believe 2 of those states are Alaska and New York. I believe Hawaii is another one as well. So apologies, but if you're not in those areas, they're not considering hiring for this particular position. Okay, so it will be a reasonable, it's a fairly good paying job at $16 per hour. So let's just jump into this real quick. Allstate is recognized for, it's one of the top insurance companies in the United States. They've been around for 89 years, and they do all they can to stay ahead of the competition. You've probably seen their commercials on TV where Allstate stands: auto insurance, home insurance, all sorts of insurance. Okay, so again, the states that it's not available for: California, Hawaii, Alaska, Puerto Rico, and New York. So if you're in one of those areas, then maybe you could look for something else on Allstate's website, but they're not looking to hire from these states right now for this position. All right, so you will be paid bi-weekly, and you'll be earning $16 per hour. So if you work an 8-hour day, you'll be taking home $124 before tax and deductions. Okay, so for this particular job, you will be given everything. The only thing you need to do, well, the 2 things you need are: 1, to show up, and 2, have internet. They'll give you the training, they'll give you the laptop, they'll give you the equipment to get the job done. So $16 an hour, $33,280 annually, and they give you the tools and the training to get things going. All right, so your training period is for 5 weeks. It's 2:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So you'll be off Sunday and Wednesday, and then your transitioning period or permanent schedule for 7 weeks is from 2:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So again, you're off Sunday and Wednesday. All right, so your job description is this: the customer contact center is growing our virtual workforce, and we are looking for customer-centric, charismatic, talented individuals who thrive in a collaborative and challenging environment. Customer service is committed to delivering an effortless, efficient, and personalized customer experience. It is Allstate's goal to support our customers how, when, and where they want to be served. The Customer Contact Center provides service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. As a result, it is critical that all our team members can commit to a flexible work schedule that includes weekends and holidays. Schedules are subject to change due to business need. Evening and Saturday hours are required. We have very targeted service and sales goals to drive excellence in our interaction with our customers, to drive consistent customer satisfaction. Signing up new customers and servicing existing customers will be in scope for this position. The customer insurance rep is an extension of our Allstate agencies and allstate.com. In this role, you will create an exceptional customer experience through handling inbound customer service calls and internal call transfers for cross-sale opportunities, which contributes to improved customer satisfaction and retention. Allstate will support maintaining insurance license to include continuing education requirements. All right. So when you apply, you'll be notified via email regarding potential interviews and hiring events for this particular position. So they're asking you to check your email daily, um, check your junk mail, check every folder to make sure that you don't miss them trying to contact you. All right. So your key responsibilities will be to support their customers by delivering an effortless and personalized experience, active listening, showing interest, compassion, and displaying empathy for the customer. There's a lot of people will be calling about money. For most people, money is one of the biggest concerns that they have each day. So you can just imagine the stress that they might be under. So they're looking for people who are human. It's not just a job. Show emotion, right? So proactively identify and act on additional protection opportunities to promote policy growth and improve customer retention. Applying effective selling and influencing techniques. Demonstrate accuracy in processing changes to customer policies based on the information provided. Ensure first call resolution and customer satisfaction on all transactions. Answer customer inquiries that require an agent's license on coverages, limits, and deductibles, and review customer policies. Discuss options and dates. Discuss options and update customer policy records. Work in a dynamic virtual environment. Ensure internet service and connections are in working order at all times. Be proficient in multitasking on the computer, phone, and chat rooms to support customer requests. Be available, present, and actively ready to receive calls without distractions. So what they require from you or qualifications is a high school diploma or GED, minimum of 1 year customer service experience, previous call center experience is a plus, flexibility with changes to business requirements, that is shift and weekend work schedules. So a good thing is that they don't have you work, well, the training doesn't have you training Wednesdays and Sundays, but it's possible that you could be working on Sundays as well. So look out for that. Excellent listening and communication skills, both oral and written. Intermediate to advanced computer skills, including keyboard proficiency. Strong ability to troubleshoot at home technical issues. Experience in work from home environment, a plus. So the work environment you'll be in, you're committed to technology or leveraging the power of technology to enable home-based work in combination with our traditional call centers. Qualified candidates will need a dedicated workspace and must meet internet access standards for consideration as a commitment to our customer and employee experience hardware. As a commitment to our customer and employee experience, hardware is provided. So they'll provide the computer, the headset, the mouse, all that stuff. So standard technical requirements: a home internet service must be stable, 50 megabytes per second download and 5 megabytes per second upload internet service packages. Access to hardwire or plug-in Ethernet or network cable to your modem or router during your shift. Wi-Fi connection is not allowed. You cannot use satellite, hotspots, MiFi devices, wireless AC wall plug-in extenders, repeaters, boosters, and or pods, nor wall outlets. You need space for your desktop equipment and 2 monitors. Allstate will provide all the equipment. Information security requirements. Minimum requirement, summary not all inclusive. Established or dedicated work area at home, which ensures that no one can see your screens, keyboards, or Allstate documents. Area is located where no one can overhear your conversations. Free from potential hazards affecting equipment, example pets, plants, water, etc. Workspace is not vulnerable to theft. It's free from distractions. So, as a Fortune 100 company and industry leader, they provide competitive salary, But that's just the beginning. The total rewards package also offers benefits like tuition assistance, medical and dental insurance, as well as a robust pension and 401k. Plus, you'll have access to a wide variety of programs to help you balance your work and personal life, including a generous paid time off policy. And you can learn more about life at Allstate through their Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or watch the video provided in this link. So, check this job out. There's a lot more you can read. They're an equal opportunity employer. Benefits, competitive salary, generous time off, 401k, medical, dental, vision care, wellness incentives provided, and tuition reimbursement, which starts day one. Now, there is a caveat. So your benefits vary based on your position. So depending on how far up you go, your benefits will change. But this sounds like a win-win sounds like a win-win to me. This was posted on April 16th, and it does look like they're hiring quite a bit of representatives. So when you get to this page, I'll leave a link in the description below. Just click begin application process, having listened or watched this video. If you want to read through finer detail, go ahead. It's always good to be informed. But at the top of the page, you will see begin application process. You click that, page opens up, fill it out, and as they said, check all your folders in your email. All your folders. Okay? Check every single folder because they will reach out to you via email. So you don't want to miss out on this. However, if you feel that you are ready to start your own thing, your own gig, your own business, I have tons of other videos showing ways you can do that. And there are also links in the description below that show you ways you can start your own business, earning as much as you can earn and not just an hourly rate. So guys, this is the Internet Income Ninja. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. I'll see you guys.